welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to check out uptime for our phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That is phone usage time in our Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, go to the settings. Then scroll down, you will find about phone, and here just click on status information, and here you will find the uptime. See, this is uptime in my phone. Okay, 4:51:27. So how much time totally you are using in your phone? Okay, that will be counted here and that will be showing here. So this is called uptime. After purchasing, after starting using your phone, total time will be counted here and it will be noted here. So in this way, you can easily check out phone usage timing or uptime in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.